In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Yahoo Finance data in Google Sheets. To begin, open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Starting with a fresh sheet keeps everything organized and makes it easier to confirm the add-on installs correctly. Once the spreadsheet is open, look along the top menu bar for the option labeled Add-ons. Click Add-ons to open the menu where you can extend Google Sheets with extra features. From that drop-down menu, click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that integrate directly into Sheets. Give it a moment to load, because it may take a few seconds depending on your browser. When the Marketplace search bar appears, click into the search field and type Highlight. As you type, search results will update. You are looking for an add-on called Finance for Yahoo. This add-on is designed to pull market information from Yahoo Finance into your spreadsheet, so you can work with financial data like quotes and related details inside Sheets. In the results, click on Finance for Yahoo to open its listing page. On the listing page, confirm that you have selected the correct add-on by checking the name. Then click Finance for Yahoo again if prompted to proceed into the installation flow. Sometimes the Marketplace will show a summary page and then a second confirmation screen, so just follow the prompts and make sure you stay with the same add-on. Next, click Install. Google will ask you to approve the installation and may prompt you to select the Google account you are using for Sheets. Follow the on-screen permissions prompts so the add-on can run inside your spreadsheet. Make sure you read each prompt carefully, since permissions are required for the add-on to function properly. After the installation finishes, you will be returned to Google Sheets. At this point, the add-on is installed and ready to use from the Add-ons menu. If you do not see it immediately, wait a few seconds and open the Add-ons menu again, since it can take a moment to appear. Now you have successfully installed the Finance for Yahoo add-on in Google Sheets, which is the key setup step for bringing Yahoo Finance data into your spreadsheet. That covers everything you need to know.